Keep me in the water 'cause I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing all day long. Keep me in the water 'cause I'm going fishing.
Let's talk a bit about the rod blank. The rod blank has a spine. Just like you and I have a spine down our backs, the rod blank also has a spine which determines the way that the rod wants to bend. So if you take a section of rod and gently bend it, you'll see the way in which it wants to bend. Congratulations, you've just found the spine. Now that you have a feel for the spine, we can go ahead and mark it. Using small pieces of masking tape, we mark the blank about 4 inches from the top and bottom. We do that on the top 2 sections. That's all there is to it. After you put the tape on the blank, you'll have to mark the direction of the spine on each section. It's really that easy. When you assemble the pieces of the blank, make sure that the lines you put on the masking tape line up. This will make sure that your rod is uniform. That's important because it'll cast further and perform better overall. And that's what we want to do. For heavyweight rods, 8 and over for fly fishing, medium heavy and heavier for spinning and casting, we typically place our guides right on the spine. For lighter weight rods, we do just the opposite and put those guides on the opposite of the spine. Finding and marking the spine shouldn't take too long, but remember, it's a really important step. Now that you have a basic idea of how your rod feels, I think you're ready to move on to the next step.
Keep me in the water